This, my friend, this is the new Bathmate killer. I've reviewed so many penis pumps here on this channel, but I have never came across something as unique and as amazing as this water pump. So I reviewed a water pump in the past. However, that water pump would actually work by just removing the air from inside the cylinder, and it wasn't actually pumping water like the Bathmate does. However, this amazing water pump works exactly in the same way the Bathmate works. However, it's electric, so you don't have to pump it against your body. You also don't need a big pump so that you can allow for the water to go out. So using it is pretty simple. You charge it right here. It comes with a proprietary charging cable. So you basically turn it on, and then once you turn it on, you have two buttons. One button will start pumping water, and the other button will release the pressure just in case you pumped it too much and you want to release the pressure, so you just press the other button. So on top of this, it has an opening that fits your penis size, unlike the Bathmate. So this water pump right here actually fixes all the issues I've had with the Bathmate. One, the Bathmate is much more bulky and heavy. Secondly, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, depending on your luck and on the valve that it has on top of it. And thirdly, the Bathmate, as many of you also commented, when you put your penis inside, the opening of the Bathmate is actually much bigger than this opening, and it starts vacuuming in the skin around your penis, and it doesn't actually just pump your penis. It makes it very uncomfortable because it is really sucking in all the skin around the penis as well. So this pump right here solves all those problems. It actually pumps the water out, so you actually fill it with water when you go to the shower. You simply press the button and it starts pumping the water out. It fits perfectly. It takes less space. In my opinion, it is much more elegant, and it costs pretty much as the Bathmate costs. So this one is not cheap. It's around $190. However, so far it's one of my favorite penis pumps because, to be honest, I wanted the Bathmate to work because the concept is great. The fact that you use the penis pump every time you go and shower. However, as you guys saw my previous reviews, it didn't really work as claimed, and I did test different models of them, and most of them were kind of buggy. They were not actually working as I wanted them to work. However, this one actually gets the job done. I really like the form factor of this one. You can simply keep it inside the shower. Every time you go to the shower, you fill it with water, you stick your wiener inside, you pump it for a few minutes, and in this way you make your erections stronger, harder, and you might also get a thicker penis if you use it for a prolonged period of time. Very simple to use. I'm loving this pump, and I thought you guys might also be interested in this one. So there you have it. I'm gonna leave a link to this one in the description of this video below, and I'm also going to show you how to use it on myself, and I'm gonna post that on my OnlyFans because YouTube is not the right place for it. So if you're into that, make sure to check out my OnlyFans page. The link is going to be in the description of this video below. Kale and ticks. Anyways, cool pump.